This mini seminar is going to be about shifting between running programs. Let me outline what I'm going to show you. To shift between multiple programs that are running on your computer at a given time, hold down the Alt key, type the Tab key while you're still holding down the Alt key multiple times until you reach the program that you want to shift to, and then release the Tab key. Let me show you. Hold down the Alt key and type the Tab key. The first thing that happens is you see that there is a white box around the program that you're now running. That's the Word document that I have just been outlining. You type the Tab key again, it goes to the next thing that's running, which is another Word document. Then it goes to some minutes of the seniors computer group. You type it again, it goes to Camtasia Studio, which is what I'm recording this on. You type it again, it goes to Excel spreadsheet. You type it again, it goes to my browser, etc., etc., etc. Let's stop right here. Let's say what I really want is to go to that other Word program that shows the senior computer group business meeting minutes that were just provided to me. I let go, and there they are. I hold the Tab key down again and type once. It shows where I just left the shifting between running programs Word document. So I can do this all day long. I go to whatever program I want, and when I let go the Alt key, you shift to that program. Not very complicated, but very, very handy.